In today's world, machines are the backbone of industry and innovation, driving advancements that shape our daily lives. From automating routine tasks to enabling groundbreaking research, these powerful tools are transforming the way we work and live. At Sam Tech, we explore the myriad ways in which machines contribute to our professional and personal growth. Smart farming equipment, such as autonomous tractors, drone-based crop monitoring, and precision irrigation systems, is boosting agricultural efficiency. These machines allow farmers to optimize resource usage, monitor crop health in real time, and increase yields. By adopting smart farming technologies, agriculture can meet the increasing global food demand while minimizing environmental impact. Robotic construction technologies, including automated bricklayers, AI-driven construction planning, and drone-based site inspections, are revolutionizing building practices. These machines enhance construction accuracy, reduce labor costs, and improve safety. By integrating robotic construction, the industry can deliver projects faster, safer, and with higher quality. Automated manufacturing systems, such as robotic assembly lines, smart sensors, and AI-powered quality control, are streamlining production. These technologies increase output, reduce defects, and optimize energy use. By leveraging automation, manufacturers can improve efficiency and maintain competitiveness in a fast-paced market. Next-generation transportation machines, including self-driving cars, electric buses, and Hyperloop systems, are redefining mobility. These innovations offer safer, faster, and more sustainable modes of transportation. By investing in next-generation transport, cities can reduce congestion, lower emissions, and enhance connectivity. Green energy technologies, such as wind turbines, solar power generators, and advanced battery storage, are powering a sustainable future. These machines harness renewable resources, reduce carbon footprints, and promote energy independence. By adopting green energy, communities can transition to cleaner, more sustainable energy systems. Telemedicine innovations, including remote diagnostics, AI-driven health analysis, and virtual consultations, are enhancing healthcare access. These technologies allow patients to receive care from anywhere, improving outcomes and reducing healthcare costs. By integrating telemedicine, the healthcare sector can expand its reach and provide better care to more people. High-speed communication technologies, like 5G networks, fiber optic cables, and satellite broadband, are connecting the world faster than ever. These machines enable rapid data transmission, real-time collaboration, and enhanced digital experiences. By embracing high-speed communication, businesses and individuals can operate more efficiently and stay connected globally. AI-enhanced retail technologies, such as automated checkout systems, personalized shopping assistants, and inventory management AI, are creating smarter shopping experiences. These machines provide tailored recommendations, streamline the purchasing process, and reduce operational costs. By adopting AI in retail, businesses can better serve their customers and improve profitability. Advanced mining equipment, including automated drilling rigs, real-time monitoring systems, and AI-based safety controls, is improving resource extraction. These machines increase efficiency, reduce human exposure to hazards, and optimize resource management. By integrating advanced mining technologies, companies can enhance productivity and worker safety. Food processing automation, with technologies like AI-powered sorting machines, automated packaging lines, and smart kitchen appliances. Is innovating the culinary world. These machines improve food safety, reduce waste, and enhance product consistency. By adopting food processing automation, the food industry can meet the demands of modern consumers and maintain high standards. Blockchain technology, through distributed ledgers, smart contracts, and decentralized finance platforms, is securing financial transactions. These machines enhance transparency, reduce fraud, and increase transaction speed. By integrating blockchain, financial institutions can offer more secure and efficient services. Logistics robotics, including automated guided vehicles (AGVs), robotic sorters, and AI-driven warehouse management systems, are transforming supply chain management. These machines improve order accuracy, reduce handling times, and enhance inventory control. By adopting logistics robotics, companies can optimize their supply chains and meet customer demands more effectively. Innovative engineering machines, such as AI-driven design software, 3D printers, and robotics-based prototyping, are pioneering new product development. These technologies accelerate the design process, reduce costs, and allow for more complex and customized products. By leveraging innovative engineering, businesses can bring groundbreaking products to market faster. AI decision-making tools, including predictive analytics, machine learning algorithms, and automated data analysis platforms, are refining business strategy. By advancing space technology, humanity can continue to explore the cosmos and unlock new opportunities. Industry 4.0 machines, such as smart sensors, digital twins, and AI-driven predictive maintenance, are revolutionizing industrial operations. These technologies enable real-time monitoring, proactive maintenance, and optimized production. By adopting Industry 4.0 technologies, companies can enhance their operational efficiency and remain competitive in the global market. Machines are at the heart of modern innovation, driving progress across every sector. At SamTech, we are committed to exploring the ways these technologies are reshaping our world. As we continue to integrate machines into our work and daily lives, we unlock new potentials for growth, sustainability, and success.